See, now when I do the higher stuff, I'm just gonna work it right out of my paint container. Can you see when I'm working on this? I got paint in here, but I don't have very much paint in here, and I'm only gonna take a little bit at a time, wipe off my paintbrush, blow and go. You know what I mean? And so as long as you know the skids underneath don't have any paint on it, I can just push this over to my next location, you know, and paint up against this window as high as I can. And this 2-inch paintbrush, throwaway paintbrush, is actually working better than I thought. And see over here, I got to go backhand. But granted, I don't have as much paint on here as a regular cut-in brush, but I don't need a whole lot. You know, now I can go flat, and if I need to, I can dip and go. You're only going to be able to do it so quick anyways, you know. I mean, just see, I'm only going to go that far, and then blend it back in and go along it like that. You'll be able to see where you need to put it at an angle, where you need to not put it at an angle. Okay, and I'm just going up that high. I could go way up here, but then I've got to look over my shoulder and stuff, and I got to get up there high with my my little ladder anyways. Okay, so I don't have to do all that. And if I have to get some more paint, I'll put some more paint on my paintbrush. See, now I can go the other way, or I can flip it around if I'm low enough and go that way, flip it over and go that way. If not, then you're going to have to go backwards and then forwards. You know, get a little bit extra paint on your paintbrush and do it. Okay, that's it. And now I can go do my little outside corner. I'm just reaching up as high as I can, and I know I've already been up about this high, and I can look and see, you know, if I just reach up however far. And sometimes instead of just painting the corner, I might paint the corner and then go over. With this is 2-inch paintbrush, so I'm going to go over just in case my paint roller might have slightly covered it, but it might not have covered it all the way in the nooks and crannies, let's say. So I can paint on there a little bit extra, right? Wherever I think, before going over up this high and coming down again. You know, if you just do the inside corner, maybe that's not enough. Maybe when your paint roller, just get it close with the paint roller this way, and then on this wall I go up this way. Well, sometimes your paint roller, you get it over too far, and now you're just messing up the paint that you just put on the other wall. And if you don't cut it in properly, you know, both sides, then maybe you see a slight discoloration or an area that's not done all the way. You know what I mean? I mean, when in doubt, put some more paint at this point, right? And again, like I say, when you get all done with your job, and you think you're done, then is the time to walk around after everything's painted, to look and see if there's any little places that stand out. Oh yeah, I can see one, because when the paint dries, it changes color. And you might be able to see it more easily once the paint's dry, and you walk around. Oh, there's a place, there's a place. You might not be able to tell as you're painting, thinking you got it, and then you look back. Son of a gun, I guess I didn't get it all. I thought I did. Good thing I'm checking it. Good thing I'm checking it, okay? There's another tip for you. All right. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.